How y'all doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Dumebi. So today's tutorial is about how to tie a full paper gele. This is a paper gele mostly tied by Nigerian women, specifically those from the southeastern or south part of Nigeria. I've been doing a lot of tutorials using ashoke, mostly tied by the Westerners, so I decided that this has been a long time coming. And this, if I must say, is a little bit more technical than tying an ashoke because of the nature of the material. And you can see this is the full paper gele. It has not been cut. So this is, I think, probably a yard of material, and the material is usually hard. So that is why I'm squeezing it to make it very easy and to make it easier for me to manipulate and form my plates. So you guys go ahead and enjoy this tutorial. And yeah, today I announced the winner of my spa session giveaway. Yay! So watch till the end of the video where I eventually announce the winners of the giveaway, the 2 lucky winners. Congratulations to the winners, and for those who didn't win, don't worry darlings, there will be more giveaways, so just keep being subscribed and watching and liking my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
I can see that guru for yonder. No for center. Alulubomi eko for corner. Kata kiti, jindari kiti, kata tili daji. Friday to Saturday, we must do party for a coile. From Friday to Saturday, we must play bedroom till daybreak. Oh yeah, oh yeah, get on down now, get on down. Me ti conju, me the t-shirt me paper, the color party. Shy your good day, food do good day, people go spray. I can see that go room for yonder. No for center. Alulubomi eko for corner. Kata kiti, jindari kiti, kata tili daji. This party na showdown. Today not today. Gele yaya oh. Ewo bobo yẹn tó ń wò mí, ó ṣe fìlà bí tàdán. Tèmi ò jọ tànà, mo fi yé kújọ́ tàná. Ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ ti yé mi, kòkòrò méjì ti pàdé. Kò lè jọ tàná. I can see Dagboru for yonder. Náwó for center. Alùlùgbò mi ẹ̀kọ́ for corner. Katakiti, ṣèdárí kìtì kàtà tí lè dájú. For a coile. From Friday to Saturday, we must to play bedroom till daybreak. Oh yeah, oh tia, get on down now, get on down. This party today, not today.
So this is the finished look. This is what the gele looks like, and I have another way of tying this gele with looser pleats. This is like a tighter infinity pleats where everything is really rounded and basically tighter. So I'll be doing another tutorial for you guys, showing you guys the second style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you learned from it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not. I have other gele videos if that's what you're interested in. Be sure to check them out. And these are the spa winners. Congratulations, Dami and Victoria. Slide into my DM on Instagram and let's talk about how you get to claim your prize. Thanks to everyone who participated, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hello, this is what my gele tied by the Efwy.
Yay!
Yes, check away. Disaster, Makale.